Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create a section like ad related products. So we are going to just replicate it, how it would be working. So let's begin with that. So I have already created that. So I'm going to give you the step by step phenomena how we can create the full-fledged this module. Just we need to follow the Magento standards. That's it. Okay. So let's begin with the code. Let's make me compile this code. Here what we have is compilation. Then we need to run the break command. Just I'm running the command, then I will show you like how it will be showing in the admin. So I will give you the step by step look out of that. The 6 is there. Now we are going to just last step. Now we're going to upgrade this command. So now the compilation is completed. Now let's going to check whether its extensions comes or not. Let's reload this page. See, I have added the new tab that accessory. Add frequently, this frequently bought. If you're going to click on this, see the whole full-fledged section is coming, and now we're going to get this one, then add selected products, and it will add that selected products. See, we are going to build in this section. So let's begin how we can do that. Okay, so let's start this session. First of all, we're going to have a app code praxol link product. First of all, we need to create etc. First of all, we have the structure of module XML, with everybody know about that. Let me open in a this one tab, so let's we can understand each step by step code. First of all, we have etc. First of all, we have module.xml. Okay, so basically there's a module name, and this is your module name code, you can say. Next, we need to module di.xml. We need to, this is basically for overriding the things. So I have just copied the constructor. Okay, and this is link type accessory I have put, and this is collection provider showing that, and this is the import one, module import product. Okay, Next, we have the ACL for the configuration, whether you want to suggest someone to you enable this module or not. Then we have the admin HTML, that is a DI again, Praxol UI data provider, product form modifier accessory, and then we have system XML for the configuration. Just as a basic configurations, nothing about what about this extension says. Okay, this is the etc, the basic structure. Then we have what how we can just add this accessory one. What is the main core phenomena of that adding this tab? So we have like three ways to modify this structure, or you can use the plugin to move around. Okay, so let's check. In to create the model, product, copy constructor, that we have already mentioned. This is a copy constructor, and accessory.php, the same one. Okay, how we accessory.php, we have link.php, we have. Okay, then product link accessory.php and accessory.php, this file, just return the data object and all. So this is the basic file of that. Now plugin, I told you like plugin we need to modify after get link to id. So this is basically after link to get id. So this way you can, I have ordered link type accessory and returning the accessories part. Okay, setup, we need to install the schema. We have to, the same way that they are showing with the related products, upsell products, again we have to make a duplicate the full-fledged link type id, data type int, get connection table, get product link attribute. Okay, so this kind of things we have to be taking care of that. Then we have the UI form accessory related accessory data provider. Okay, then we have the view accessory product listing, the listing that they are showing. So this way we can show the listings. Okay, etc done. Admin etc cover, module cover, plugin cover, setup cover, UI cover, views, view admin, product listing. So this way we can create such a built-in functionality of Magento. How we are just doing this, and what where is the code of that? So I will tell you how we can, where is the code. So I will let you know about the structure. etc model, plugin, setup, UI, view. View, we have admin HTML, UI component, accessory product dot listing. The listing that it comes over here, that is come from here, right? So this is the link product. So you can create such kind of inbuilt functionality of Magento. You can use that one, and yeah, that is okay. That's all for now. Where these all modules come, like we have the vendor function. Go to the Magento, okay, and go to the catalog, module hyphen catalog. Okay, so how this come to know about the how we can create this one and that one. So let me explain you how the exactly I have copied from the link product. Okay, so let me tell you, we have what how we are managing it. We have this is we have UI. Okay, in module catalog we have UI. Okay, then we have data provider. In the same we have data provider. Okay, data provider. Then we have product. Then we have product. Then form and related. Again we have form and related. We have to use both of them. Then I have used formed. I'm used formed. There is a modifier. There is modifier. And there is modifier accessory.php. You can copy the related.php as the same function. So you, if you open the related.php as copying, what do you are finding? This one abstract, related, upsell, related, this kind of things are coming over here. Search engine optimization, what are the functions? Modify meta, modify data, get price modifier, filter data, get a scope, get related fill set. Okay, arguments, additional related products, this kind of things, arguments. Okay, and get upsell field set and the children and all that. Let me check what how we are doing that. We have modifier ss.php. See, I have class accessory extends related data scope accessory. So here what we have, data scope. Data scope, here we are finding here data scope related upsell cross sell. So I have added the new one, that is data scope accessory search engine optimization, that is sota. So modify meta, we are modifying the meta and group related arguments, related products, upsell cross sell, and new label, we have changed it. Okay, so this is, we have added the full part. Then get accessory field set, we have get accessory field set, get accessory field set, get the, here is get related field set. I have created get accessory field set. Custom type products are shown to the customer in addition to the item looking for. Okay, so this children arguments, frequently bought label, whatever you can add the section and get data scope. So this way column is added over here. Okay, it's just I am fol following the core Magento functionality. I'm just checking and playing with that, and this is how we can build that extensions. So you can check this part and you will get to know how we can modify the plugin and all to get to know about all this. Okay, so you have to play with around. Okay, if you don't understand anything, just let me know. I will explain you how we can build this module and extension. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.